Kerjan Burdai from BEd2 Section 2, and we gather today to celebrate the unsung architects of our nation's future, our teachers. Their dedication, their tireless efforts, and their profound impact on the lives of countless individuals often go acknowledged, overshadowed by a narrative that too frequently focuses on perceived hardships, while the challenges faced by educators are undeniable. Today we choose to shift the focus to celebrate not just their resilience, but the monumental achievement that fundamentally transform their working lives and affirm their invaluable contributions. The Magna Carta for public school teachers. This isn't simply a piece of legislation, it's a testament to the profound respect we owe to those who dedicate their lives to shaping young minds and building a brighter tomorrow. It's a comprehensive framework designed to ensure fairness, equity, and a long overdue recognition of the vital role teachers play in our society. This landmark achievement provides numerous benefits, including guaranteed due process in disciplinary actions, protection against discrimination, reasonable limits on teaching hours, additional compensation for duties beyond the classroom, support for family unity through collocation opportunities for married couples, salaries comparable to other professions, cost of living and hardship allowance, free annual medical examinations, protection against unauthorized salary deduction, provision for study leave and indefinite leave, and guaranteed salary increases upon retirement. In the following moments, we will delve into the heart of this landmark achievement, exploring how these key provisions have reshaped the landscape of teaching in the Philippines and continue to support the dedicated professionals who guide our children towards a better future. Prepare to be inspired by the power of recognition and the transformative impact of a law designed to honor those who deserve our deepest gratitude. In Republic Act 4670 isn't just a collection of words on paper. It's a testament to the value we place on education, and more specifically on individuals who dedicate their lives to it. This act passed with the intention of improving the lives and working conditions of our teachers. It's a comprehensive document that addresses numerous aspects of their professional lives. Let's delve into our professions, exploring the depth and breadth in its impact. First, consider the issue of transfer. RA 4670 ensures that teachers have a say in where they work, preventing arbitrary reassigns that could disrupt their lives and families. This is not simply a matter of convenience, it's about respecting their agency and recognizing their contribution. Imagine the disruption caused by forced relocation, the emotional toll on teachers and their families. This act prevents such hardship. Next, we have the crucial matter of safeguards and disciplinary procedures. No teacher should be subjected to unfair or arbitrary punishment. RE 4670 ensures due process, protecting teachers from unjust accusations and ensuring fair treatment. This is essential for maintaining a just and equitable work environment, fostering trust and respect within the profession. The Act explicitly prohibits discrimination, ensuring equal opportunities for all teachers, regardless of background or personal circumstances. This creates a level playing field, allowing teachers to focus on what truly matters, educating our children. Imagine the potential stifled by procedures, the talent lost due to unfair practices. RA 4670 actively combats this for married couples. RA 4670 allows for employment in the same locality, preventing the separation of families due to work assignments. This is the simply yet profound act of human consideration, recognizing the importance of family, unity, and stability. The Act also guarantees academic freedom, allowing teachers to explore innovative teaching methods and express their views within the bound of responsible professionalism. This freedom is essential for fostering creativity and innovation in the classroom, ensuring the students receive a dynamic and engaging education. RE 4670 limits the teaching hours to a maximum of 6 hours of actual classroom instruction, ensuring that teachers have sufficient time for lesson preparation, grading, and other essential tasks. This is not just about reducing workload. It's about ensuring the quality of education. Overburdened teachers cannot provide the level of dedication and attention that our students deserve. Furthermore, the Act provides for additional compensation for activities outside normal duties, recognizing the extensive work teachers undertake beyond the classroom. This acknowledges the dedication and commitment they show, going above and beyond to support their students. The Act ensures that teachers receive salaries comparable to other occupations, providing them with a reasonable standard of living for themselves and their families. This is a matter of fairness and equity, ensuring that those who dedicate their lives to educating our future generation are adequately compensated for their invaluable work. RE 4670 guarantees that local government salaries for teachers are not less than those paid by the national government, ensuring consistent compensation across regions. This prevents disparities and ensures fair treatment for all teachers, regardless of their location. The Act also includes provisions for cost of living allowance and special hardship allowance, recognizing the financial pressure teachers face, especially in challenging circumstances. This reflects a commitment to supporting teachers' well-being and ensuring their financial stability. The RA 4670 provides for free annual medical examinations, demonstrating a commitment to the health and well-being of our teachers. This is a vital measure recognizing the physical and mental demands of the profession. The Act prohibits unauthorized deductions from teachers' salaries, protecting their hard-earned income from unfair practices. This ensures transparency and accountability in salary management. Finally, RE 4670 provides for study leave and indefinite leave, allowing teachers to pursue professional development and personal growth. This commitment to continuous learning ensures that our teachers remain at the forefront of their field, providing our students with the best possible education. The Act also guarantees salary increases upon retirement and freedom to establish or join organizations of their choice. In conclusion, RE 4670 is a comprehensive and far-reaching piece of legislation that addresses the rights, privileges, and benefits of our public school teachers. It refutes the often heard claim that teachers are overworked and underpaid. It demonstrates a commitment to their well-being, their professional development, and their crucial role in shaping the future of our nation. Let us celebrate this landmark achievement and continues to strive for a system that truly values and supports the dedication individuals who dedicated their lives to education.